friends, welcome to another new episode of How Hacks. In today's hack, I am going to show you something that will come in use for especially kids as well as a few adults who find like these kind of masks wearing loosen up, especially those with thinner or smaller face. What happens when you wear such masks? They tend to come down, slip down, because it's not tight at the ear side. So how do you tighten this in a way that you can adjust it even after wearing is what I am going to show you in today's hack. At the same time, let me remind you all, for those of you all who have not seen the episode which had different ways of wearing the mask so that it can ease your ear, because most of the people wear masks throughout the day, because of which their ear starts hurting and they want a relief from it. I have shown easier ways to get relief from this kind of problem. But for those of you all who are used to wearing the mask with this portion attached to the ear, I am going to show you how you can loosen or tighten it with this kind of hack. So stay tuned. So friends, this is a kid's face mask, so it will look pretty cute on this. I felt that's why I wanted to show. So these are the elastic sides which you all need to be working on to tighten or loosen. So the hack is very simple. You got to take one of the elastic sides of the mask and simply just pinch it in this way, both the side, and you would put a knot. The back end you will pass it through the circle that you see below. Now this is simple way how you would tie a bow or a knot. Once you get this bow kind of shape, slowly just loosen it at the ends of the mask. See that you hold the mask tight enough, else it might tear on the edges. The elastic tends to rip off easily, so you have to hold it firmly so that it doesn't get ripped off. And this is how I loosened it up. You can either tighten it by pulling the loop of the bow on one side, or loosen it by pulling the empty end. I'll show you once again on the other side. This will be covered back of your ear, so you need not worry, and it looks very cute even if it's visible. So simply take side of your mask and loop it in this form. Okay, you're just going to pinch it. It's not quite visible, just pinch it. This is what I am doing, pinching it so that it forms a small loop. I pinch it on the other end as well, and then you crisscross it. See, crisscross. And once you crisscross the back loop, you will put it inside the circle which you see that is formed below, a tiny circle formed below, and then just pull it together. Now it might not end up becoming tight on the first. You need not worry. You'll have to just keep on adjusting it till it is secured with a tight knot, and then, as I said, holding the ends firmly, pull the elastic on the empty side. This will loosen the mask. Now once you wear this mask, this is exactly the same way that you will loosen or tighten it. If you want to open it up, it's quite simple. Just pull it and there the knot is released. You do not have to struggle with the knot that is formed. Just pull it across and the knot is opened. So friends, wasn't that a very simple hack? I know many of us struggle by tying a knot, and then it becomes difficult for us because we are not able to adjust easily this kind of elastic, especially when you tie a particular knot, you cannot just make it tight or loose. So the best way is to use this hack that I have shown. So do let me know in the comment section what do you all have to say regarding this hack, if you all liked it, if anyone has made use of it before. And for those of you all who are new visitors to my channel, it's a sincere request, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button which is down below, but this is the icon, and the bell notification icon to get updates each and every time I do a new hack. So I'll see you friends next time with another new hack. Till then, bye from me.